Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bricks in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find clay, which is the primary ingredient. Clay blocks are frequently located at the bottom of various water bodies, such as rivers, lakes, and even oceans. You can break these blocks with any tool, but using a shovel will be the most efficient method. Each clay block you mine will drop 4 individual clay balls, which are essential for the next step in our brickmaking process. Once you have a good supply of clay balls, the next step is to smelt them into individual brick items. You'll need a furnace and some fuel, such as coal, charcoal, or even wood planks. Simply place the clay balls in the top slot of the furnace and your chosen fuel in the bottom slot. Each clay ball will then be smelted into one single brick, ready for crafting. This process is straightforward and yields the basic component for brick blocks. With your individual bricks now ready, it's time to craft them into usable brick blocks. Head over to a crafting table, which provides the necessary 3x3 crafting grid. Arrange 4 of your newly smelted brick items into a 2x2 square within the crafting grid. This specific pattern will then produce one sturdy brick block. Remember, you'll need 4 bricks for every single brick block you wish to create for your building projects. Now that you know how to obtain brick blocks, let's explore their many uses. Brick blocks are a fantastic material for construction, offering both durability and a classic aesthetic. You can use them to build sturdy houses, decorative pathways, or impressive structures. Furthermore, brick blocks can be crafted into other useful items like brick stairs, brick slabs, and brick walls, providing even more versatility for your architectural designs. Enjoy building with your new bricks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.